Hello, David here from londonsafes.co.uk, and I'm here with another safe video. And please consider liking this video if you do like it, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this kind of on a weekly basis. So today's safe is another Euro Grade 2 safe. This one is by KeySecure. We're installing this safe next week, and what I'll do now is in the edit we will add in post the pictures of the installed safe. This is KeySecure, and this is their Euro Grade 2 safe, and the particular one that I've got on the bench today is the Victor 2 for Euro Grade 2 3E size 3. So you've got 1, 2 all the way to 6. This is the size 3 with the electronic keypad, also available with a key lock. But today we're looking at the more favourable, or more favoured I should say, electronic keypad. Most people order electronic keypad. So let's look at the external dimensions. I'll talk more about Euro Grade 2 in a minute. But the external dimensions, it's 700 millimeters high by 550 millimeters wide by 465 millimeters deep. Around at the side of the safe, to the depth you need to add. So the dimension I just gave you is from my fingernail to the back of the safe, but the keypad, as you see, protrudes out quite a way. So you need to add about another, I think that's 53, 54 millimeters that you need to add just in case it's going into a recess. So it's a heavy beast. This one weighs in at 173 kilograms. So it's finished in a sort of mottled dark grey finish, which is not unattractive, I guess. So as mentioned, operated with a digital keypad. You have a 6-digit pin, your own personal pin. The factory pin is 1 through 6. Pretty much all safes is 1 through 6. You've got to change that to your own pin. Doesn't need power. People often ask that. It doesn't need mains power because they're operated with a 9-volt battery. It's very rare to find a safe that needs mains power. So if the battery should go flat, as long as you've got a spare battery to hand, then you just swap the battery over. It's a simple process, just like that. It's sort of similar to a smoke alarm, and you're good to go. So the keypad unlocks the lock, but you still need to unlock the bolts that hold it shut. I'm going to explain that now. So I'm going to tap the code in, and then we'll hear that little click. That's the solenoid that's unlocked the lock. Now I need to turn the handle, and you've got sort of 2 or 3 seconds to turn the handle, otherwise it will lock itself again. And once you've done that, you can open the safe, and then you'll see that turning that handle, as I'm doing it now, it's operating the bolts. I'm going to lock the safe with the door open so I can show you those bolts. At the top of the safe, we've got 2 bolts that engage in the top, and then down the side, we've got 3, and at the bottom, we've got another 2 bolts there, 1, 2 there. As we look at the safe, you'll see that those bolts lock into these recesses. On the bottom, on the top, and also on the side. The hinges are external. They often are on safes like this, and burglars think if they cut the hinges off, they'll get the safe open. Well, they won't, for 2 reasons. One, the design of this here, where I've got my fingers. As the door shuts, try to show you that. I'll open it again. That will actually go behind this part of the frame of the door. But that notwithstanding, you've also got all of those bolts engaged in the door frame on 3 planes, so cutting the hinges off would achieve nothing at all. So you have 1 shelf in this safe that you can put in a multitude of positions. We've added some accessories, so we're actually fitting this safe next week. So they've got the optional carpet on the shelf and on the base, and the optional lights, 2 lights. These are rechargeable USB, and they go to sleep once the door is shut. I'll try and show you that now. You can't see, but I'm standing in front of the safe with the lights off, and as I'm going to open the door, and as I open the door, they turn on. So if it is in a dark place in your home, then this gives you good visibility in dark places. If you just had 1 light, if I was to block that one off, you can see it's quite dark at the bottom, so I would recommend 2. I'll show you on the screen now how you add those on, or where you see them when you're placing your order, these accessories. There are other accessories we do as well. We'll show you those. Before I do, I'll go through the internal dimensions. So the internal height is 600 millimeters, the internal width 440 millimeters, and the internal depth 305 millimeters. And the storage capacity in litres is 81 litres. So quite a lot of room in this safe. We've got a glimpse at prices. in this catalogue. So these are the retail prices without VAT and without delivery. So the prices that you'll see, there's a link to the safe in the video description. Otherwise, just go onto our website and type in Victor Euro Grade 2, and you'll find these safes. So the price will be higher because it includes VAT and the delivery and installation charge. So what will you fit in the safe? Here's a sort of ubiquitous luxury watch box, and if I put that in there and back away, you can see if you've got 20, 30 watches, you'll get them in there, no problem. So you have got some inherent fire resistance. I mean, obviously this is a burglary resistant safe. It's the burglars are not getting into this safe anytime soon. They might try and get it out of the house, but that's going to be very difficult because it's so heavy. But in terms of fire resistance, it has got a little bit of fire resistance. You've got these little gaskets that expand in the event of a fire. Plus it's a big double skin steel box with concrete lining, so it will take some energy to heat the contents to the point where it will incinerate anything. But we also do this accessory, which is a fire and water retardant wallet that you can buy. I was in the same place that I showed you. So you could put these in there if you had particular things you wanted extra fire resistance for, you could put those in. But if you're looking for the full Monty, you want the full fire and water resistance as well as the security of the safe, you can put in this unit up to 3 of these fire and water resistant boxes that are UL certified, because obviously if there's a fire, the fire brigade pour water into the property, so water is as much a factor as fire in those terrible circumstances. So if you want to be certain that something's going to be there after a fire, then that's the option to go for. I'll show you on screen now where you could add that, where you find that, add it to your cart or shopping basket when you're ordering the safe. And then we'll bring one of those with us. If you wanted to put sort of A4 folders in there, you could. You'd have to adjust the position of the shelf, so that's easily done. So it'll bracket it, you just put it wherever you want it. Then you could put folders in there as well. The Euro Grade 2 element. So this is the testing certificate for the independent test house, which is this one here, ECBS. And this safe has been independently tested and certified to EN 1143-1. That's the Euro standard, and it's resistance grade 2. And what that means for you is, for insurance purposes, if your goods have to be, or your valuables have to be in a safe of a certain rating, this is a rating of up to 17,500 in cash, which is unlikely. That's what you're storing. More likely to be valuables, so it's 10 times that. £175,000 worth of valuables to be stored with insurance approval from your insurance company in this safe or in a Euro Grade 2 safe. So let's talk about installation. So with us, we work in a different way to all of the other online retailers of safes. Most of them would just drop ship it and try and get someone to install it. There are a few other guys like us that actually do deliver and install the safe themselves. That's what we do. So the price you see on our website for this safe is the fitted safe in Zone A, which I'll show you now on screen. So in Zone A, on the ground floor, that's the fitted price, delivered and fitted, of this safe. There'll be a Zone B option for the rest of that area there that you see. It's pretty much too heavy to go upstairs, although with some lighter safes, we don't differentiate between ground floor or first floor or whatever. It's all one price sort of thing. But this one, unless it's a really wide open staircase with no turns, incredibly strong, then this is ground floor only, because by the time you get this safe and 2 guys and the trolley that we use, the stair walker, I'll show you a little clip of that stair walker while I'm talking, so you can see that taking the safe upstairs. It's it's just too heavy. It's not possible, and it's not safe to get it up there. To be insurance approved, the safe has to either be bolted to the floor, and that generally with a safe like this tends to be a concrete floor. There's the anchor hole there, or bolted to a wall, a brick wall, and there's the anchor hole at the back, or both if that's possible. That's fantastic. So my own WhatsApp number has come up several times in the video. You can WhatsApp me directly. I'll answer any questions you've got about this or any other safe. You can jump onto the website and you can start an online chat, or you can just phone us, old school. Happy to talk to you. We are the highest rated safe company on Trustpilot, and that's because we only sell safes. I mean, you'll see other companies that might sell safes, but they sell loads of other things like padlocks and very small items where people go, yeah, it's a great padlock, and they leave a review, and that counts for a safe company, our reviews are all just from people that we've supplied and installed safes for. And, probably only 10% of the people we supply and install safes for are willing to leave a review afterwards for security concerns. So all of our reviews are genuine, 100% genuine. Some of them are astonishing. And I look at them and I think, oh God, that looks fake. But it's not, it's real. You can also look at our Google reviews and see what people have to say about us. We have strived to achieve an enviable reputation in our industry, which we have achieved, and we're very, very proud of that, and we'd be happy to help you with your safe. So maybe you don't need a beast like this, but you'll want a safe for your home, and you just want a really great home safe, not necessarily as big and heavy as this. Well, I've got something I'd like to show you. So there's a link to a video now in the video description that you can click on, and also at the end of this video, if you click on the following video, that will be all about that safe. I've been David. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you watching another one of my videos soon. And another reminder, please subscribe and like the video. It's really hard to get traction on YouTube, especially if you're just a little, small niche business like us. Thanks again.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.